Fans think another Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello collab is in the works. Here is all the details as to why. I'm Gabby Conti.
I'm Kaylana Olari.
And I'm Rodrigo Varandas, and this is Hollywire's Tea Party.
Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello were just spotted on set of a music video, which has fans convinced that it's another Shamila collab in the works. Shawn and Camila have worked on I Know What You Did Last Summer back in 2015, and also Senorita in 2020. The couple has been living together during the pandemic for over a year, so it's not that hard to believe that they wrote another song together during this time. Although some fans are speculating that maybe it isn't a collab and Shawn was just on set for his own music video, and Camila just stopped by for support with their dog Tarzan. Also, Shawn and Camila's house was recently broken into and Shawn's G-Wagon was stolen. So another theory is Camila did not want to be home alone at a house that was recently robbed. What do you guys think of these photos?
Yeah, if it's because of the robbery and Camila just tags along because she didn't want to be like, girl, I totally feel that. That's such a scary situation to be in, and I'm glad that the both of them are physically okay. You know, it sucks that his car got stolen, but you know, I'm glad that they're like physically okay and like dealing with, you know, whatever they need to deal with. As for the collab, unpopular opinion, guys. I love a good Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello collab. I've always been here for it. I Know What You Did Last Summer, bop. Senorita, bop. So if they are working on new music together, which I'm sure they are, I'm excited to hear it.
No, I'm excited too. Like, I love it when you call me señorita. I'm ready. I am ready. But I really feel like it must have been scary to just stay at home alone because the robbers entered the home while they were in there. So it must have been so crazy for her to just be like, nope, I'll take the dog. I'll be there with you. So hopefully it was a double moment, which was like, I'll be outside of the house, but let's do the collab at the same time.
Well, then also with the collabs, if you look at the schedules, those two were 5 years apart. So maybe we won't get another collab until 2025.
Okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
So that is also possible. But I guess, you know, only time will tell with this, but I still can't believe they haven't caught this guy driving around with a G-Wagon. I guess everyone in LA has a G-Wagon, so it's hard to track down. But I can't believe that they haven't caught this thief, which is just scary. There is a thief on the loose. If you are famous and you live in a house in the hills, beware. I think us people living in apartments are kind of okay for now.
No, robberies are happening like a lot these days. Lady Gaga's dogs, Beyonce's storage unit, Johnny Depp's.
Yeah. That was the Johnny Depp story was crazy. That they found the guy inside. He was taking a shower and he fixed himself a drink. And you know Johnny Depp has really expensive liquor.
He wasn't home. He wasn't home.
He was just living that life. I feel like, you know, I also feel like that during quarantine, I feel like there was a story once where they released a statement about how they wanted to focus on their own music instead of being always Shamila, because I can imagine it must be a lot, like living together, working together, like making music together, like that really is a lot of stuff. So it could be a beat before we hear that again. But also anytime Shamila forms, like those songs are hits, they do really well. That was like the first song of Camila's music career that really launched her into superstardom, was the one she did with Shawn, not the one she did by herself.
Yeah, no, honestly, going back to the 5 years thing, what if in 5 years, so 2024, 2025?
2025, yeah.
Math?
5 years from 2025.
Math. What if that's like what they announced, like, hey guys, like we're married? That'd be so cute.
People think they may also already be engaged, but again, only time will tell. We want to hear from you guys. Do you think a Shamila collab is in our future or no? Let us know. I'm Gabby Conti.
I'm Kaylana Olari.
And I'm Rodrigo Varandas. And follow us at Hollywire for your 24/7 celebrity news.